So the next result here is we have to prove that del ij aj that is equals to ai. So for this what we have to do is first we have to open this summation convection. I am taking this and proving this side. So del ij aj that is equals to del I1 A1 plus del I2 A2 plus del I3 A3. Now further putting or expanding according to I, so put I equals to 1, I have this equation like del, I can say that 1 j aj is basically equals to, you can say del 1 1 a1 plus del 1 2 a2 plus del 1 3 a3. So if I put the value of the del, so del 1 1 is equals to 1, a1 plus 0, a2 plus 0, a3. So that means this result is equals to a1. Further, when I put I equals to 2, that means del 2j aj is basically equals to del, now putting 2 here in place of I, del 2 1 a1 plus del 2 2 a2 plus del 2 3 a3. So putting the values of the del, 0 a1 plus 1 a2 plus 0 a3. So that result is equals to a2. Now further if I put I equals to 3, so I have del 3j aj that is equals to del 3 1 a1 plus del 3 2 a2 plus del 3 3 a3. Now putting the value of the del, so 0 a1 plus 0 a2 plus 1 a3. So that means this result is equals to a3. So if I put I equals to 3, I got this result. When I put I equals to 2, I got this result. And when I put I equals to 1, then I got this result. So combinedly I can write it as del ij aj is basically equals to ai. So this is the proof of this, you can say this result, this is the proof here. Now further is there is some another proof, that is del ik and del jk is basically equals to del ij. Now what we have to do is we are going to take this and prove that this result is equals to this. So for this I am going to expand this according to k. So del ik and del jk is basically equals to del I1 del j1 plus del I2 del j2 plus del I3 del j3. Now putting j equals to 1 in this equation, I have del 1 1 del 1 1, or I can say that generally if I put when we put j equals to 1, so the result is I can say that del ik del 1k, and this result is basically when these two indices are same, so I can write it combinedly as del I and 1 here. So when put j equals to 2, del ik 2k, so that result is del I2. And when I put j equals to 3, so del ik del 3k that is equals to del I3. So collectively if I write all this, so I can write it as del ik del jk is basically equals to del I, and in place of 1 2 3 we put j, so this is equals to this one. So this is the proof of this result. Now further there are some other results, like what we have to show that del I is basically equals to 3. I have to show this. So for this I'm going to expand this. So del I is basically equals to del 11 plus del 22 plus del 33. And by the definition of the Kronecker delta, I can say that this result is equals to 1 when I and j are same, plus 1 plus 1. So that is equals to 3. So this is the proof here. Now further is del ik and del ik, that is equals to 3. I have to show this. Now first I am going to expand this. So while expanding, 1k del 1k plus del 2k del 2k plus del 3k del 3k. Now further expand it with respect to k. So I have del 1, in place of k I put 1, del 11 plus del 12 del 12 plus del 13 del 13 plus del 21 del 21 plus del 22 del 22 plus del 23 del 23 plus, now further expanding this, del 31 plus del 32 plus del 33 del 33. Now this is the result, and in the next step I am going to put the value of the del. So these are the same case here. So 1 into 1 plus, this is 0, so 0 plus again 0 plus again 0 plus this term remains same, like if I write it like this, plus this term is 0 plus this term also 0 and this term also 0 and this term is basically. So by the definition of Kronecker delta, here is 1 and here is also 1. 1 is multiplied with the 1, so the result is again 1. So that means 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 3. So this is the result of this, as you can say, of this expression.